Welcome to the exciting world of Albakio International and time to learn a new shape. Are you ready? Can you name this shape? This is a circle. What's about this one? This is a square. And what if I join 6 squares together? We will have a cube. Remember, a cube is a 3-dimensional shape made up of 6 squares and these are equal in sizes. 6 squares make a cube. Great. Look at the given dice. What's about its shape? It is a cube because it has a 3-dimensional shape and it is made up of 6 squares and all of these squares are equal in sizes. Now look at this sugar cube. It is also made up of 6 squares and all of these squares are equal in sizes. Now it's time to look at the given pictures and color the cubes. Are you ready? Are you going to color this cube? No, it's not a cube, it's a cone. What's about this one? Well, this is a cube. What's about this one? This is a circle. Now look around yourself and try to find out different objects made up of 6 squares equal in sizes. I mean, you have to find out some cubes around yourself. Take care.